What can stable isotope analysis tell us about human remains? Imagine being able to read a person's life story just by examining their bones and teeth. That is exactly what stable isotope analysis allows scientists to do. This technique uses the natural chemical signatures found in human remains to uncover details about diet, movement, and environment. It might sound like science fiction, but it is a real and powerful tool in archaeological science. When researchers analyze bones and teeth, they measure the amounts of specific stable isotopes, forms of elements that do not decay over time. These isotopes come from the food and water a person consumed during their lifetime. By studying these chemical clues, scientists can piece together a person's lifestyle long after they are gone. The most common isotopes studied are carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, strontium, and sulfur. Each one tells a different part of the story. Carbon isotopes help identify what kinds of plants made up a person's diet. For example, plants like wheat and rice have different carbon signatures than maize or millet. This helps researchers understand what crops people relied on. Nitrogen isotopes reveal the amount and type of protein in the diet. Higher nitrogen levels often mean more meat or fish consumption, while lower levels suggest a plant-based diet. Nitrogen can also show if the protein came from land animals or marine sources. Oxygen isotopes are linked to the water a person drank, which varies with climate and geography. Analyzing oxygen in bones and teeth can help determine where someone lived or if they moved from one region to another. Strontium isotopes reflected the geology of the area where a person grew up. Since strontium enters the body through food and water, its signature can tell if someone was born in the place where they were buried or if they migrated from elsewhere. Sulfur isotopes can distinguish between diets based on marine versus land resources and can also give clues about mobility, especially in coastal or island regions. In addition to diet and movement, stable isotope analysis can sometimes reveal health information. Changes in nitrogen levels, for example, might indicate periods of illness or malnutrition. This method is especially useful when remains are poorly preserved, where traditional analysis might not give enough details. Combining isotope data with other archaeological evidence allows scientists to build a clearer picture of past human lives. They can learn what people ate, where they lived, and how they interacted with their environment. It is like piecing together a puzzle from chemical clues hidden in bones and teeth.